Dear students, in this video I explain the fourth characteristic property of solids. All solids have a definite shape. See this image. Take a small tumbler and a cube of ice, the blue color one. Small tumbler, cube of ice cube, and a piece of rock. Just observe, the ice cube can fit into this small tumbler, whereas the rock cannot fit into it. So this shows that the shape of the solid is rigid. The shape of the solid is rigid. So basing on the size of ice cube, we can basing on the shape of the ice cube, we can easily fit that ice cube into the tumbler. But we cannot fit this piece of rock into this tumbler. This shows that the shape of the solid is rigid and solids can have any number of free surfaces. Okay? Dear students, in the coming video, I explain the fifth characteristic property of solids. Solids cannot be compressed using this example. And for all the videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.